Canada has a quote-unquote free healthcare system, but how much public funding is actually available for physiotherapy following a hip or knee replacement surgery? Well, the answer is that it varies quite a bit province to province. Let's get into a few. Ontario allocates about $300 for physio following a hip replacement and $250 following a knee replacement. Given an average PT session costs between $80 to $100, this covers maybe 2 to 4 sessions. BC covers about $26 per physio visit, but only allows you a max of 10 visits a year. Manitoba has absolutely no public funding for physiotherapy. Provinces such as Quebec and Newfoundland don't have a funding limit, but the average wait time to see a physical therapist can range between 140 to 300 days after surgery. So the truth is, there is not adequate funding available for physio following these surgeries. And that's why apps like Curovate were designed to help improve access to the public so that they can receive great home care and rehab programs that will help them get on to their road to recovery.